का मतलब कांग्रेस, कांग्रेस का मतलब मुसलमान, मुसलमान का मतलब कांग्रेस, कांग्रेस का मतलब मुसलमान, मुसलमान का मतलब कांग्रेस, कांग्रेस का मतलब मुसलमान.
Viewers, what would happen if Yogi Adityanath or Narendra Modi stood on a public stage and declared Hindu means BJP and BJP means Hindu? Think about it. I'll tell you what would happen. The skies would split open with secular fury. Roads would be blocked. Hashtags would trend for weeks. And petitions for resignation would flood not just the Supreme Court but even United Nations. Viewers, the entire ecosystem would scream intolerance, fascism, hate speech, end of democracy and what not. Remember Prime Minister Modi's visit to Ayodhya for Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha? The ecosystem, the so-called secular ecosystem, erupted in rage. They called it Hindutva takeover. They said secularism is dead in India. They said that India was being turned into a Hindu Rashtra. Then came the Sengol in new parliament, a symbol of justice and dharma. And the same voices called it RSS agenda. Even when a traditional Nimbu Mirchi, viewers, Nimbu Mirchi was tied to Rafale jet to ward off evil. It is a practice as Indian as chai. The chai we sip every morning through the day. The secular brigade lost its mind. They said this is saffronizing the Air Force. Viewers, every cultural act, every symbol of civilizational pride is twisted into a communal conspiracy. The ecosystem says BJP breeds Hindu and it's divisive. RSS organizes a shaka and the ecosystem says this is militant Hindutva. You are aware of the commentary. But when Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, a Congress Chief Minister, viewers, declares that Muslim means Congress and Congress means Muslim, the same ecosystem goes missing. They can't hear, they can't see, they can't speak, not a word, not even protest. This is not just sickening appeasement, viewers. This is second partition in slow motion. This is Jinnah's two-nation theory wrapped in Congress flag, ideology, Congress cap, whatever you want to call it. Jinnah had said Muslims are a separate nation. Revanth Reddy says Congress franchise. Same poison in a different bottle. The mindset that divided India in 1947 is alive, breathing, and unfortunately campaigning in 2025. Viewers, let's talk of the hypocrisy here. Rahul Gandhi can hug imams, promise minority quotas in every breath, but he is secular. Prime Minister Modi builds Ram Mandir, installs Sengol, honors tradition, empowers Muslim women, but he is still communal. One party can openly claim a community as its private vote bank, and that is inclusive. The other dares to speak for the majority and does not discriminate against minorities, but it is still divisive. Viewers, the lobby calls this secularism, but this is sickening, naked vote bank politics that treats Muslims not as citizens, but as a prop to be bought and sold. That is the truth, and there is no other way of saying this. The Congress does not want Muslim empowerment. It wants Muslims to be dependent. It wants them forever grateful, forever voting, and forever silent. This is the same mindset that partitioned India. And viewers, the time for double standards is over. If Revanth Reddy's words are not communal, then mind you, nothing and nothing ever will be. And don't forget, they say Muslim means Congress, but for the same party, Sanatan means hate, dengue, AIDS, malaria, etc., etc.
मुसलमान का मतलब कांग्रेस, कांग्रेस का मतलब मुसलमान. आज कांग्रेस की ताकत, तेलंगाना सरकार की ताकत हमारे मुसलमान भाई बहनों. कांग्रेस है तो मुसलमान है, कांग्रेस है तो आपकी इज्जत है. जब कांग्रेस नहीं है, अब कुछ नहीं है.
Let's open this up. Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Harshvardhan Tripathi ji, senior journalist. Trishank Manne, the national spokesperson of the BRS. Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst. Haji Rangrez. Ravi Srivastav, Professor Atikur Rahman completes the panel. हाजी रंगरेज, अगर नरेंद्र मोदी या योगी आदित्यनाथ ने यह कह दिया होता कि बीजेपी मींस हिंदूज और हिंदू मींस बीजेपी, तो क्या होता?
देखिए क्या होता कि आपने देखा ही होगा, योगी आदित्यनाथ आए दिन क्या कहते रहते हैं। वो सनातन की बात करते हैं, वो हिंदू राष्ट्र की बात करते हैं, भाजपा के सारे नेता हिंदू राष्ट्र की बात करते हैं। अगर कांग्रेस के एक तेलंगाना के मुख्यमंत्री ने कह दिया कि हिंदू मुसलमान सिख ईसाई सब इस देश के हैं और सबका नाता कांग्रेस से पहले रहा है, देश की आजादी के से पहले भी बाद में भी।
हाजी साहब ये कहां बोला? अगर ये बोल देते तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा मुस्लिम मीन्स कांग्रेस, कॉन्ग मीन्स मुस्लिम। अगर वो बोल देते कॉन्ग मीन्स हिंदूज, कॉन्ग मीन्स सिख, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी।
उनका कहने का मकसद ही यही था,
कहने का मकसद ये था, लेकिन वो बोल नहीं पाए।
जब कांग्रेस की सरकार थी तो कितने अच्छा सुन तो लीजिए, कहने का मकसद ये था कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जब जब सरकारों में रही, आपने देखा होगा मुसलमान को सेकंड क्लास सिटीजन नहीं बनाया गया। आज जब से भाजपा की सरकार है 2014 के बाद से मुसलमानों को
तो हाजी रंगरेज ये सेकंड क्लास, ये थर्ड क्लास सिटीजन बनाया किसने? 60 साल तक कौन सी सरकार थी सर? किसने बनाया? आप लोगों ने बनाया। अब आप डिफेंड कर रहे हैं इसको।
सर सुनिए, सर सुनिए, 2014 के बाद से क्या बदला हुआ आप ये बताइए। कैबिनेट में, मोदी जी की कैबिनेट में एक भी मुसलमान मंत्री नहीं है। बीजेपी मुसलमानों को एक को टिकट नहीं देती, बताइए, विधानसभा हो लोकसभा हो कहीं पर भी। तो इस तरीके का जो नैतिकता के तौर पे जिस तरीके का
हाजी साहब मैं एक बार फिर से पूछ रहा हूं, अगर नरेंद्र मोदी ये ऐसे बोल देते जो रेवंत रेड्डी ने कहा, तो क्या होता? बस आप बता दीजिए। अगर आपको लगता है कुछ नहीं होता तो वो भी बोल दीजिए।
देखिए मेरा कहना सिर्फ ये है कि उन्होंने कोई गलत बात नहीं कही, उन्होंने
कोई गलत बात नहीं कही। अतीकुर रहमान, यू आर एन इस्लामिक स्कॉलर, यू बिलीव इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑल्सो, इज दिस द राइट थिंग टू से?
थोड़ा बेटर, very candidly, Pranesh, I would say that I do not have any doubt saying that the Muslims have been used by the Congress as a vote bank and all of the political parties. But to defeat the BJP, I would give a green signal to Mr. Revanth Reddy to use us as a vote bank, but defeat the BJP.
Right. So
under no circumstances.
Right. You will not raise the red flag. You will give them a green signal. Tehseen, is this the Jai Samvidhan spirit?
It is, because Revanth Reddy said that Hindus and Muslims are two eyes of the Telangana government and both work together. That part is not being shown. And why, in what context has he said it is not being shown? The context is most important. This BJP, they went to court because Revanth Reddy gave OBC reservation. BJP and BRS went. They are anti-Muslims, anti-OBC, because in Jubilee Hills, Congress has given a OBC candidate and a Muslim minister. It is a beautiful social engineering Congress has done. And BJP and BRS is also on your panel, they got together and went to court to stop OBC. So not only are they anti-minority, they are anti-OBC also.
Modi is what? Is Modi not from OBC community?
Of course he is. Then, but the mindset of the BJP in Telangana is anti-OBC. Why did they go to court?
Mind
the chief minister given OBC quota.
Say something, at least mind where your off stump is.
I know exactly where my off stump is.
Then if Modi is an OBC, yet you are branding the BJP as anti-OBC.
Absolutely. They are anti-minority, anti-OBC.
Okay. Before I bring in the...
And Revanth Reddy said the right thing.
Okay, said the right thing. हर्षवर्धन जी ध्यान दीजिएगा तहसीन पूनावाला क्या कह रहे हैं. अभी मैं आऊंगा. Pradeep, I'll bring you in, but let's bring in two eyes. Krishant of the BRS. Mr. Krishant, what do you make of this? Congress is equal to Muslims, Muslims is equal to Congress.
Pranesh, firstly, if I were not from Hyderabad and Telangana and if I was from Delhi, I would have believed in Tehseen's lie. BRS did not go against the BC reservation in court, mind you. I am from here. I am from Telangana. I know what happens here from the High Court. So please do not lie on national news channel. Number one. Number two. Revanth Reddy very clearly spoke that मुसलमानों को इज्जत नहीं है अगर कांग्रेस नहीं है. And that is why, after knowing that, for damage control, from last 10 days, the chief minister has been going every ward to ward, lane to lane. But for damage control, he had to don the Muslim cap. Number one, okay, he can. But because this was going negative against him, he had to show this. But let me go 4 days ago. What did he say? Pakistan ne भारत देश को पिछवाड़े पे मारा. What is your intention here? What is your line of campaign here? I want to ask the political analysts or whoever are defending them that it is taken out of context. The context is because there is 1 lakh voting from the Jubilee Hills Assembly segment. That is the reason Revanth Reddy has been talking on these lines. How is Revanth Reddy defending this? Why does he have to speak about Pakistan there? Why does he speak about, Muslims नहीं है, अगर कांग्रेस ही नहीं है, उनको इज्जत ही नहीं है. I feel I put my head down in shame if someone is still defending him. I think he has to apologize.
Right. हर्षवर्धन जी, यही स्टेटमेंट अगर जवाहरलाल नेहरू दे देते तो पार्टीशन ही नहीं होता सर. वो बोल देते जिन्ना को कांग्रेस इज इक्वल टू मुस्लिम, मुस्लिम इज इक्वल टू जिन्ना.
देखिए प्रणेश जी, मुझे लगता है कि जो रेवंत रेड्डी का बयान है उसको ठीक से देखा सुना जाना चाहिए. और जब एक समय में भारत पाकिस्तान बटा तो उस वक्त क्या कहते थे मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना? यही तो कहते थे ना कि तुम्हारा कोई अस्तित्व तो नहीं है हमारे बिना, मुस्लिम लीग के बिना मुसलमानों का कोई अस्तित्व तो नहीं है. देश का जो मुसलमान था, जो भारत में रहना चाहता था, उसने जिन्ना के उस जो भी कह ले आप उसको ठुकराया. बड़ा वर्ग यहां रह गया. ये बात कोई और कह रहा होता तो अलग बात है. जो कांग्रेस मुस्लिम लीग से उस समय लड़ रही थी वो कांग्रेस के नेता कह रहे हैं, और रेवंत रेड्डी जो कह रहे हैं उसको समझिए, वो कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस के बिना मुसलमान कुछ नहीं है. जबकि सच ये है कि जिस तरह की राजनीति वो कर रहे हैं उसमें मुसलमान के बिना कांग्रेस कुछ नहीं. किसी के लिए कुछ करना इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. आपको लगता है कि आपका मतदाता समूह है, आप उसके लिए जो पॉलिसी कर सकते हैं, जो बेहतर कर सकते हैं वो करिए. लेकिन आपने मुस्लिम अपीजमेंट करके कौन सा भला कर दिया मुसलमानों का? और अगर इतना भला कर दिया तो फिर उसके बाद आपको यह कहने की जरूरत कहां से आ पड़ी कि आप हमारे बिना कुछ है नहीं? और ये बड़ा चौंकाने वाला है. जो 1947 के बाद हमने झेला है, इस तरह की बयानबाजी, इस तरह का एक राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री चुना हुआ जब वो बयान देता है तो वो उसी लाइन पर ले जा रहा है. और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, मुसलमानों को डराकर आप कब तक अपनी राजनीति करते रहेंगे, कब तक सत्ता में रहेंगे, ये मुसलमानों को सोचना चाहिए.
Pradeep, what is this equation of the Congress party? Muslims is equal to Congress, Congress is equal to Muslim.
Well, Pranesh, demography is democracy's destiny. And what Revanth Reddy has said is extremely communal, but at the same time, Revanth Reddy is attempted to futuristically soak the seeds of further division as was soaked by Muhammad Ali Jinnah pre-partition. Because if you look at the Congress party's character, Rahul Gandhi in an interview to a magazine had said that Congress is a Muslim party. Revanth Reddy backs and says that Congress equals to Muslims. So when Dr. Manmohan Singh says that the first right to resources belongs to the Muslim community and certain individuals from the Congress party say that it's an edited clip, it's flawed. When Congress party and the entire alliance says that Sanatan is dengue, malaria, AIDS, and still Rahul Gandhi has not yet visited Prabhu Sri Ram's Mandir despite calling him a Janeudhari Brahman during the time of elections, all of this points towards one thing, that the Gandhi Vadra family has a disdain towards the Hindu community. This is why Jawaharlal Nehru historically got the Hindu Code Bill but did not speak about Uniform Civil Code, or Rajiv Gandhi overturned the judgment of the court in Shah Bano case. In fact, I will go a step further. For the Congress party, it's just not equal to Muslims. It is the radical fundamentalists in the Muslim community which the Congress represents. Because had the Congress party been talking about the welfare of the Muslim community, they would not have overturned the judgment in the case of Shah Bano, or they would not have opposed the constitution the Supreme Court saying that triple talaq is unconstitutional. So the Congress party does not represent is not equal to Muslims. It is equal to radical fundamentalists, just like Sayyid Ali Ahmad Khan was in 1870s or Muhammad Ali Jinnah was in 10 Seconds Island. The Muslim community has benefited the least under the Congress party. If you can look at any socio-economic developmental statistics, Pranesh, the Sachar committee speaks about, and even in 10 seconds. Congress party is now started to even give no representation to the Muslim community. If I take their argument forward, the Congress gave 34 Muslims candidate ticket in 2014, and you know how many they gave in 2024? Not even 20. This tells you that the Congress uses the Muslim community, wants to use the fundamentalists to soak the seeds of another partition, just like Muhammad Ali Jinnah did pre-1947.
Tehseen, I'm coming to you. Ravi Srivastava hasn't spoken. Ravi Srivastava ji, आप तो नेशनल टीवी पे डिबेट में आके बोलते हैं ये सेक्युलर है, ये कम्युनल है, ये कौन से ब्रैकेट में जाएगा सर ये स्टेटमेंट?
परफेक्ट, एकदम सेकुलर स्टेटमेंट है. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इन इट? बताया ना एक तो पैनलिस्ट ने मेरे कि उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि हिंदू और मुसलमान देश की दो हैं, तो आपको और इक्वलिटी क्या चाहिए?
नहीं तो ये क्यों नहीं बोला कांग्रेस इज इक्वल टू हिंदूज एंड हिंदूज इज इक्वल टू कांग्रेस?
वो अगली बार बोल देंगे.
अगली बार
नहीं, आप ये क्या मुद्दा बना रहे हैं? ठीक, एक पार्टी भाजपा जिसने सिर्फ माइनॉरिटीज की इंसल्ट की है, ह्यूमिलेट किया है राइट फ्रॉम द डे वन. आज देखिए इनका एक आदमी को ये टिकट नहीं देते, एक आदमी को मिनिस्टर नहीं बनाते. बनाया था मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी को, उसे भी निकाल के बाहर कर दिया. यूपी में मोहसिन रजा को बनाया था, उसे भी निकाल के बाहर कर दिया.
नहीं, एक मिनट, माइनॉरिटी मतलब सिर्फ मुसलमान ही होता है क्या?
करे लोगों
नहीं, एक मिनट रवि श्रीवास्तव जी देखिए, एंड अतीकुर रहमान सर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू डोंट क्लैप टू अर्ली. अब जल्दी ताली बजा रहे हैं, अभी सुन तो लीजिए. लेट मी आस्क हिम अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस, देन यू जज. इफ ही फेयर्स वेल देन यू कैन क्लैप आइदर फॉर मी और फॉर हिम. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, माइनॉरिटीज जैसे कॉन्ग इज इक्वल टू मुस्लिम होता है, माइनॉरिटीज इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? मुस्लिम ओनली.
तो दीजिए, ये रेस्पेक्ट है, ये रेस्पेक्ट है एक रिलीजन के लिए जो इनके पास नहीं है, बीजेपी के पास.
और ये सनातन को डेंगी बोलना ये भी रेस्पेक्ट है, लेप्रेसी बोलना रेस्पेक्ट है.
20 सुबह से शाम तक करते रहते हैं, और प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं कि जिनके बच्चे ज्यादा हैं उनको रिसोर्सेज से हिस्सा नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
रवि श्रीवास्तव, आंसर वन सिंपल क्वेश्चन. माइनॉरिटी मतलब, बिकॉज यू सी ओवर द लास्ट 60 years or so, Congress perpetuated this idea that minorities is equal to Muslim. ये उसका आज सेकेंड सीजन मिला है. कांग्रेस इज इक्वल टू मुस्लिम्स, और आप वही बोल रहे हैं. तहसीन, कैन आई आस्क यू, इज ओवैसी सेक्युलर और कम्युनल?
Before I answer that,
No, answer that.
Owaisi is depends. He plays a secular or a communal card. Depends on which side.
Owaisi is communal in Bihar. Owaisi is secular in Telangana.
No. One second. I'll tell you. It depends. When he wants to support the constitution, please. When he wants to support the constitution, secular. Otherwise, he helps the BJP. And Owaisi knows that in front of Revan Reddy, uski chalegi nahi, because Revan Reddy is the messiah of all Indians. Hindus and Muslims are twice. Now, one second. Let me prove this. Revan Reddy made a very secular statement. Hindus and Muslims are two eyes of the government. I don't want votes of namak harams. I don't want votes of namak haram. मुसलमानों को नमक हराम बोलने वाले गिरिराज बाबू, गिरिराज सिंह जी थे. We won't vote for Muslims and Yadavs, as they didn't vote for me, JDU MP Devesh Chandra Thakur. I did not hear Pradeep Bhandari criticizing गिरिराज बाबू, saying गिरिराज बाबू इस देश के मुसलमान को नमक हराम क्यों बोल रहे? देवेश बाबू, आप यादवों को भी कह रहे कि आपका वोट नहीं मिला तो आप उनके लिए काम नहीं करोगे. मैंने शुरुआत में कहा था कि बीजेपी इज एंटी यादव, एंटी ओबीसी, एंटी मुस्लिम. Because Revan Reddy is giving Yadav a ticket, this BJP is trying to create communal politics in Telangana.
Well,
what I have said is right or wrong?
Wrong, Tehseen.
Did the MP not say that?
No, let him answer now.
I'll factually just correct you. He began his argument by saying that Revan Reddy fears Asaduddin Owaisi. Please note this, September 15, 2024, Revan Reddy lashes out praises for Asaduddin Owaisi, says that Asaduddin Owaisi is the voice of the poor in the parliament. So that is fact check number one. But let me come to a very basic argument. Muslim community is the second largest majority in this country. Can any of these panelists here show one policy decision of Narendra Modi government, which has said that the Muslims should not have any right to resources. In fact, let me turn it further. Ralib Galib was the nara which was given in Jammu and Kashmir by the separatists and terror sympathizers. Did the Congress party even once oppose it? If the Congress is truly secular, did the Congress party even once oppose when Hindus were forcibly converted by the radical Islamists in Jammu and Kashmir? Can you please show me? And let me throw another challenge to Ravi Srivastava. Show me one statement of the Congress party where the Congress party says कि हिंदू और मुसलमान दोनों हमारी आंखें और Hindus is equal to the Congress.
Are Muslims
मैंने बताओ तो सही.
is Devesh Thakur's statement that I
answer
will
the
not work for
question.
Yadavs?
I don't know. I
Muslims and Yadavs, you all are treating them so badly.
No talking over each other.
No, he finished, no?
No, but I am asking.
No, but
you
Devesh
haven't
Thakur,
answered my question.
is it acceptable?
Will you condemn? You are saying
he's not
this is
condemning
secular.
it.
I am condemning
I am
it.
making a
I
secular
am taking
statement.
a
Hindus
position.
and
I
Muslims are
want you
equal.
to take a
He's saying
position.
Muslims are namak haram, which is the worst statement. I am saying Hindus, Muslims are two. He's saying Muslims are namak haram.
I do not need lectures from you.
Giriraj Babu said
First of all, Rahul Gandhi should apologize for calling Sanatan dengue malaria AIDS when the alliance called it.
I said it's wrong.
When is
Now
the
you
Congress
say Giriraj
apologized?
Babu is wrong.
Who are you to call
I
it,
said it's
yaar?
wrong.
Who are you to call it?
I am nobody.
You have to ask for when has Rahul Gandhi said that Ram Mandir not once he has respected
You all have
them to faith.
insulted Muslims and Yadavs.
Okay, calm down. Gentlemen, please calm down.
मुसलमानों को टिकट देने की बात
Pradeep
है.
Bhandari, 1 minute.
नमक
Tehsin
हराने
Punawala,
वाला.
1 minute. Tehsin, calm down.
भैया, एक
Speaking
second
across
सुन लो.
each other. Let's not do this.
Are
Please.
Muslims namak
1
haram?
minute.
Are Hindus equal to Sanatan dengue malaria AIDS?
You will not work
Are
for
Hindus
Yadav.
equal to
You will
Sanatan
not
dengue
work for
malaria AIDS for
Yadav.
you?
Yadav
Are
brothers are not
Hindus
part
equal
of
to
this
Sanatan
country.
dengue malaria AIDS for
Say
you?
Devesh Thakur
Are
made a
Hindus
bigoted
equal to
statement.
Sanatan dengue malaria?
One minute.
Sanatan
Pradeep Bhandari, Tehsin Punawala, calm down, please. Have some water, Tehsin.
I am very calm.
No, have
Just
some
say
water.
Devesh Thakur made a wrong
minute.
statement against
1 minute.
Yadav. I'll accept
Harshvardhan
it.
ji.
He won't say it.
Harshvardhan
That
ji.
shows the
1 minute.
mindset.
1 minute. Harshvardhan ji speaking. 1 minute.
सबका विकास
Pradeep Bhandari.
Your mindset है मुसलमानों के साथ मुसलमानों का विकास मुसलमानों का विकास हिंदुओं को छोड़ो राहुल गांधी बोलो देवेश ठाकुर पहले आप माफी मांगो प्रधानमंत्री को
Please, let's not do this to the viewer, please. If you speak at the same time, nobody can
Should
make
you
up.
ignore Yadav
1 minute.
brothers?
No one is ignoring anyone. Tehsin.
Why is he not
The Prime
ignoring
Minister is
Yadav?
from the
Who's
OBC
Mohan Yadav?
community and you
Why
want the
Devesh Thakur
BJP to
condemn
have
Devesh
1
Thakur?
minute. 1 minute. Calm down. हर्षवर्धन जी, कभी भी ये सवाल पूछने पे जैसे अभी रवि श्रीवास्तव जी ने कहा कि देखिए कोई मुस्लिम को टिकट नहीं देते, कोई मुस्लिम मंत्री नहीं है, ये माइनॉरिटीज इज इक्वल टू मुस्लिम जो है, ये भी एक बड़ी दिक्कत है इस माइंडसेट में.
प्रणय जी, एक तो सचमुच दो लोग जब एक साथ बोल रहे होते हैं ना तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. बहुत कोशिश करके भी कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया इतनी देर के डिबेट में क्या बातचीत हुई. लेकिन मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं कि इसको, इस स्टेटमेंट को कम्युनल कहने में जो सो कॉल्ड सेकुलरिस्ट हैं उनकी जुबान क्यों लड़खड़ा रही. आप कहिए ना, अगर बीजेपी का कोई नेता ऐसे कह रहा है, कोई, मैं तो बड़ा मतलब समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं. तहसीन भाई व्हाट अबाउटरी पर उतर आए. आप कहिए ना, क्या देवेश चंद्र ठाकुर ने जब कहा था तो उनकी हम लोगों ने टीवी डिबेट में प्रशंसा की थी क्या? नहीं की थी, उनकी आलोचना ही की थी. तो आज आप क्रिटिसाइज करने में आपको क्यों मुश्किल हो रही? रवि श्रीवास्तव इसको सेकुलर स्टेटमेंट बता रहे. ये तो खतरनाक है देश के लिए. आप जब ये कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस मींस मुस्लिम, मुस्लिम मींस कांग्रेस, इसका मतलब आप हिंदुओं को अलग करके रख रहे हैं, सिखों को अलग करके रख रहे हैं, और दूसरे जो लोग हैं सबको अलग करके रख रहे हैं. और ये कई बार ये डिबेट होती रही. ये कोई कहने की बात नहीं है, ये तो फैक्ट है ना कि सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट मेजॉरिटी वो मुस्लिम है. आप कब तक इस देश के मुसलमानों को इस देश की मुख्यधारा से हटाकर रखना चाहते हैं कि तुम हमारी कृपा पर हो, हमारी सरकार चलती रहेगी तो तुम्हें ठीक रखेंगे. और अगर इतना ठीक रखते तो इतने वर्षों के बाद मुसलमानों के ये हालात क्यों हैं, ये जरा बताइए. और अगर आपको लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी मुसलमानों का भला नहीं करेगी तो मुसलमान उसका जवाब देगा, पॉलिटिकली देगा, डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में देगा. लेकिन आप उसको इस तरह से डरा कर आप अपनी सरकार बनाए रखना चाहते हैं. ये तो सीधे सीधे देश में एक और विभाजन कराने की एक नींव डालने की कोशिश है. ये खतरनाक है.
हर्षवर्धन जी, मैं आपकी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं. आपने देवेश ठाकुर जी को कंडेम किया, यहां बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता नहीं कर रहे. वो नहीं कह रहे कि यादव भाइयों को के साथ हम काम नहीं करेंगे.
Shouting, you have the mic with you? Why are you shouting?
सर आप कह रहे हो, आपकी मैं रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा हूं, बीजेपी नहीं कह रही है। वो आज भी इस टीवी डिबेट पे मुसलमानों को नमक हराम मान रही है और मुसलमानों यादवों के लिए काम नहीं करेगी, उसमें वो कोई सफाई नहीं दे रहे।
मैं जवाब देता हूं। तहसीन, हम सरकार में हैं। Intention of a government is known through a policy decision. I want to know, you are a very educated man and a wise man. Please tell me a single policy decision which has been not benefit to the Muslim community and which has given benefit only to the Hindus. I will apologize to you on share.
सर आप हर्षवर्धन जी, आप प्रदीप भाई से बुलवा लीजिए देवेश ठाकुर के खिलाफ। मैं सर आपसे बोलूंगा, आप इनसे बुलवा लीजिए।
You are getting rattled when I've asked you. I want to know. Please educate me.
Sir,
has the Muslims not got benefit? Who is the governor of Bihar?
Times now,
Who is governor of Bihar? Who's governor of Bihar?
Sir, today you said
Arif
Times
Mohammed
now.
Khan.
He is a Sarkari Muslim, we will say. Arif Mohammed Khan is a Sarkari Musliman. Say that.
That is not the point.
It is the point.
I have a 5
One minute.
second point on my very extremely educated man, Tehseen. Parsis represent 0.005% of the community in population in this country. Muslims are more than 14% in this country. Are Parsis not minorities?
Sir, is Devesh Thakur right or wrong when he says Yadav will not be worked for? Answer that.
Why are you not able to speak
Sir,
of any
Devesh
other
Thakur is the
minority?
topic.
Sikhs, Parsis, Jains, others. For you, minority starts with Muslims,
Sir,
ends with
I'm
Muslims.
talking about Yadav
This is
brothers.
communalism.
Sir, I'm talking about
Who's
Yadav
Mohan
brothers.
Who's Mohan Yadav?
Answer Yadav.
Who's
Answer
Bhupender
Devesh
Yadav?
Thakur ji and
Who's
Yadav
Mohan
brothers and
Yadav?
sisters.
Okay. No, Pradeep, he wants to take you, he wants you to take a position on
On
Devesh
Devesh Thakur.
Thakur.
We have taken a position.
What is
which
it?
absolutely correct. That for us, whether it is Hindus and Muslims, everybody belongs and everybody is
He
equal.
said he won't work for Yadavs.
He will work for everybody. If
Why?
you find,
No.
okay.
Say you
Okay, now one minute.
Okay, Tehseen.
No, 1 minute. Let's bring in the BRS spokesperson.
If he does that, you report to me, we will take action. Now you tell me whether Rahul Gandhi...
If Revan Reddy doesn't work for Hindus, you report to me. I'll talk to him. I will call him from Times now.
You tell me now. Now you
call him.
Okay, gentlemen, please don't do this, please.
No,
I
he asked me a
respect
specific
both of
question.
you. Don't do this, please.
I responded to a specific question,
Right.
Pranesh. Now I want to ask, when can Tehseen Poonewala here publicly apologize for calling Sanatan dengue, malaria, AIDS and get an apology from Rahul
1000%,
Gandhi? Get an apology from a Congress.
1,000 times I've
Get
said
an
it.
apology.
And if Revan Reddy doesn't work for Hindus, I will call him
You
from
are very
Times now.
close to the
Now
Gandhi
you take
Badra
the-
family.
Rahul Gandhi doesn't listen to Tehseen
He's
Poonawala.
very close to the Gandhi Badra
He may be
family.
close,
Can
but
he get-
Rahul
because-
Gandhi,
Can he get Rahul to
Rahul Gandhi
is-
only listens
Sir,
to his own conscience.
Sir,
One minute.
what the viewers of Times now have seen is the BJP
Tehseen, 1 minute.
spokesperson
Calm down.
is
Let
not
the others
apologizing
also
for
speak,
Yadav
please.
brothers being mistreated.
Tehseen, 1 minute.
Nobody is buying
Mr.
it.
Trishant, when the chief minister of the state says this, you know, he is not some ordinary party worker, karyakarta, or a councillor. He is the chief minister. When the chief minister says this, what does it tell you about the mindset?
Desperation, insecurity, and afraid of losing this election. And that is why, in fact, I think Tehseen said we have given a ministry, see the social equation. And I even heard Ravi Srivastava ji saying that, so-and-so BJP state government, there is no Muslim minister. But the fact is, for 2 years, when Revan Reddy's government came, there was no Muslim minister here too. Now, out of the desperation that the Muslims are not voting here in the Jubilee Hills by-poll, he had no choice but to make a temporary minister out of Hasanuddin ji because he cannot become an MLC because the case is in the Supreme Court. So it is absolutely deceiving. Let me tell you, Pradesh, Congress Chief Minister Revan Reddy is not sincere for the Muslims also. This is not appeasement, this is cheating.
No, are you the B team of the BJP, Mr. Trishant? Next, Ravi Srivastava will call you that.
No, the point is, in fact, I want to ask a question because the Congress Chief Minister Revan Reddy's advisor traveled 2 days ago to Bihar, Kishanganj and said, do not vote MIM. Agar MIM ko vote karoge, to wo Modi ji ko jayega. MIM B team hai. MIM support is here for Congress. They are supporting here in the Jubilee Hills by-poll, but there they call them B team. So what is Congress the C team of BJP? What
No,
is
not the C
equation
team.
where
Congress is the A team of Owaisi. Congress has gone 10 steps ahead of Owaisi. Owaisi must be shocked. Jinnah must be turning in his graves. Even Owaisi does not say AIMIM is equal to Muslim and Muslim is equal to AIMIM. Look at their campaign in Bihar. They want votes of both Muslims and Hindus. You know, we have one panelist who appears from the AIMIM. And he's got a ticket there. I was, just going through my Twitter feed and it came up. in the campaign appeal, they want votes of Muslims, Hindus also. But here the Chief Minister of Telangana says Congress is equal to Muslim, Muslim is equal to Kong, and Tehseen Poonawalla, who swears by Samvidhan, is saying this is secular. If this is secular, Tehseen.
I just have a very polite one line to you, very politely. I am saying your argument is Congress is saying we want a Muslim, we have two eyes, OMI is saying we want both. But the BJP and Devesh Thakur says we don't want the Yadavs. I am asking the BJP spokesperson very politely, say Devesh Thakur is wrong in saying we don't want the Yadavs. Say that I'm folding my hands. Don't insult our Yadav brothers. You call Muslims Namak Haram. Don't insult our Yadav brothers.
Okay, let him answer.
By even folding hands, you will not get a single vote. We've appointed Mohan Yadav as the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, appoint a Yadav as the Congress President, and appoint a Yadav as the face over Rahul Gandhi. Then you speak about. I did not interrupt you. Point number one. When will you appoint a Yadav over Rahul Gandhi as the face of the Congress party? Then you answer and speak about. But let me come to the argument. He's trying to divert the debate. Your debate has crossed 28 minutes. Your debate has crossed 28 minutes. Not once has the Congress party or the sympathizers of the Congress sitting here has said that what the gentleman Revanth Reddy has said, that Muslims is equal to Congress, which is backed by policy decisions of the Congress party saying that Muslims have the first right to resources, is not just blatant appeasement. It is attempting to soak the seeds of a partition 2.0, just like Jinnah did. What does the Constitution say? We the people of India. Does the Constitution say that we the people, only Muslims? Then how is he backing the statement? And if that is correct, I agree with you. I totally agree with you. So does the Constitution say that Devesh Thakur will... So the Constitution says Devesh Thakur will not work for Yadavs.
1 minute.
Does the Constitution say... You apologize for Devesh Thakur right now.
Please don't do this here, please.
1 second.
1 minute. I'll come to you. Harshvardhan ji is saying something. Listen to him. 1 minute, please. Let's listen to him.
प्रणय जी, मैं फिर से कह रहा हूं, वो चीफ मिनिस्टर है. इसके पहले हमने प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को इसी तरह की बात कहते हुए सुना था. ये पहली बार नहीं है. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट पर बैठकर, पीएम की पोस्ट पर, राष्ट्रीय विकास परिषद की बैठक में, उसके बाद भी कुछ बचता है क्या? और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, ये कहना किसी भी तरह से सही नहीं है. आप जब ये कहते हैं, आप कहिए ना कोई वीकर सेक्शन है, मुसलमानों में भी वीकर सेक्शन होगा. आप कहिए ना जो गरीब हैं, जो कमजोर हैं, उनके लिए हम काम करेंगे. आप कहिए हम यूथ के लिए काम करेंगे. आप कहिए वीमेन के लिए काम करें. इसमें कोई ऐतराज नहीं है. चाहे वो कोई किसी पार्टी का नेता हो, अगर किसी कास्ट, किसी रिलीजन के लिए इस तरह से कहता है, इसका मतलब वो डर फैलाकर ये काम करना चाहता है, और ये खतरनाक. और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, हिंदू मुसलमान के आधार पर पाकिस्तान और भारतवर्ष बना है. हमें ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा.
अतीकुर रहमान,
घुमाकर काम नहीं चल सकता.
अतीकुर रहमान, ये तो इतनी सिंपल सी बात है. ये जिन्ना वाली माइंडसेट है कि नहीं?
Pranesh, I would like to know from your panelists from the opposite side, don't they understand the words political expediency? अरे भाई, कम्युनल होना क्या बीजेपी की मोनोपोली है? बस रेवंत रेड्डी कम्युनल नहीं हो सकते क्या? अरे बीजेपी को
अरे हो सकते हैं तो बोलिए ना उनको कम्युनल. आप तो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि रेवंत रेड्डी कम्युनल हो गए, तो बोल दीजिए कम्युनल. आपने तो जवाब दे दिया अतीकुर रहमान. लेट मी क्लैप फॉर यू. वेरी गुड. you've just अतीकुर रहमान, यही होता है. इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा था पहले ताली मत बजाइए. आई विल हैव द लास्ट लाफ एंड आई विल क्लैप फॉर यू. अब आपने बोल दिया कि ये कम्युनल हो रहे. दैट इज माई क्वेश्चन. तहसीन डिफेंड कर रहे हैं सेक्युलर, लेकिन आप तो स्कॉलर है, आपने बोल दिया. हाजी साहब, ये संविधान में लिखा हुआ है क्या दिस इज इक्वल, कांग्रेस इज इक्वल टू, या एक रिलीजन इज मोर इक्वल देन द अदर?
देखिए पनेश भाई, जिस तरीके से पूरा पैटर्न बनाया जा रहा है, कि बताया जा रहा है, कि मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि कांग्रेस के शासन में आपको मुसलमानों को हिस्सेदारी भी मिलती थी, इज्जत भी मिलता था, सम्मान भी मिलता था. और भाजपा की सरकार जब से 2014 के बाद से देश में आई है, उसके बाद मुसलमानों को आज कहां पहुंचा दिया, ये जग जाहिर बात है. और जो उनके मुख्यमंत्री हैं और जो उनके कई सारे कैबिनेट के मिनिस्टर मुसलमानों को ना जाने रोजाना कितना कोसते हैं, वो इतना तो
देखिए आराम से. पहले तो हाजी रणधीर साहब, आप बहुत तेज बोल रहे हैं. 1 मिनट, मैं आपको पूरा बोलने का मौका दूंगा. मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूं, अभी आप तो दिल्ली में बड़े नेता हैं, आपको किसी बात का डर है? आपको कोई धमका रहा है कि आप मुस्लिम समाज के नेता हैं? देखिए आप कितने अच्छे से तैयार होकर बैठे हुए हैं, नेशनल टेलीविजन पे हैं, आपसे सवाल जवाब हो रहा है. तो डर और दहशत कहां है? आपके साथ कोई ज्यादती हो रही है?
देखिए मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, आज हमारे भाइयों के साथ तो हो रही है, जिनके मकानों पे बुलडोजर चलाया जा रहा है, जिन मुसलमानों को
बुलडोजर तो नहीं, एक मिनट, बुलडोजर, एक मिनट हाजी साहब, बुलडोजर तो हिंदू के मकान पे भी चलाए जा रहे हैं, हिंदू दुकानों पे भी चलाए जा रहे हैं। एक मिनट, और आप बोल रहे हैं कांग्रेस के समय, एक मिनट, माइनॉरिटीज का क्या हाल था सर? ये जो सिख मैसेकर हुआ था, ऐसा हाल किया था कांग्रेस ने कि वो कभी कोई भूलेगा नहीं। और फिर राजीव गांधी ने क्या कहा था, बोलिए।
देखिए जो भी कहा था, उस समय की जो परिस्थितियां रही,
अच्छा देखिए, जस्टिफाई कर दीजिए उसको, उस समय की परिस्थिति रही थी। देखिए आप उसको जेनोसाइड तो डिफेंड कर रहे, परिस्थिति रही थी, इसीलिए सिखों को घर से निकाल के मार दिया। परिस्थिति, क्या परिस्थिति थी रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, क्या परिस्थिति थी?
अरे आप उस मुद्दे को एक नैरेटिव बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आप आज की डिबेट पे रहिए।
अरे
हमारे बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता बता रहे हैं कि हमने कोई पॉलिसी ऐसी नहीं बनाई कि जिसमें मुसलमानों को हिस्सा ना मिला हो। अरे आप क्या मेहरबानी करते हो क्या उनके ऊपर?
जवाब दे।
वो सिटीजन है इस देश के।
नहीं, लेकिन नहीं, सिटीजन तो है, इसीलिए तो देयर इज नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। तो हिंदू सिटीजन, विच पॉलिसी
Devesh Thakur said
which
that
policy?
he will not work for Yadav.
Which policy?
The community of Krishna ji. Please
Which
condemn
policy?
Devesh Thakur ji. Once. एक बार बोलो देवेश ठाकुर जी यादवों का अपमान किया।
मिस्टर भंडारी
हाथ जोड़ रहा हूं सर।
On your panel, the Congress spokesperson Haji Rangres, he's joined Delhi Congress. Earlier he was with AIMM. Has officially again justified what Rajiv Gandhi did. He is justifying the massacre of our Sikh brothers and sisters, and Sikhs are also minorities. This is exactly blatant fundamentalism. I need an apology. This is insane.
You apologize for Devesh Thakur first.
Are you justifying?
Are you Devesh Thakur?
Again, Tehsil
Yadav
Purnewala is not
ji,
able to say.
apologize.
This is what the Congress stands
You
for.
apologize for Devesh Thakur.
Congress stands for
Please
radical
apologize.
No,
modernism.
one minute.
Thakur.
This comment that Tehsin is talking about, Pradeep, I don't think in principle you should have a problem condemning
We
it.
do not.
I say that, I condemn it. Say that and then talk about the policy.
Pranesh, we do not agree with what he said. If he has brought out such a thing in his policy action, please show us. But now on your show,
Tehsin, answer on policy.
35
Which policy
minutes
of
are
the
about
Modi
to
government
cross.
discriminates against one religion?
Show me one.
Community, tell me.
Show me one.
The fact of the matter is that people on constitutional posts, MPs and ministers
Show me one
are
minister.
calling Muslims and
Please,
Yadav
minister
from
is
Namaste
also
Ram
on
to say we will not
constitutional
work for
post,
them.
Tehsin.
The policy
He's
may
on
be,
the back foot.
I'll finish. No, I'm not on the back foot. The policy may exist on paper, but when your MP says I will not work for Muslims and Yadav,
Show me on
you're
ground.
insulting Lord
Okay.
Krishna.
Show me
You're
on
insulting
ground.
Lord Krishna's
Show me on
community,
ground.
and you refuse to
On your
apologize.
show,
You are saying I don't agree
justification
with him. Apologize for him.
Tehsil,
I can
okay.
apologize for what
Pranesh,
Stalin said.
Pranesh,
Why don't you apologize?
On your show, the
Why don't you
Congress
apologize for
spokesperson
Gilgit?
has justified the massacre of Sikhs. Tehsin Purnewala not once has said that what Revant Reddy has said is communal. This is how Nehru used to back Jinnah from behind and India was partitioned. And
Let's
this is what
move
they're
on.
trying to
Let's
do.
leave it at that, viewers. You heard the views of the panel. Let's quickly move on to the other topic. Our